Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making beef kafta. I found this recipe on feelgoodfoodie.net, so please check out the link in the description. To start, we're going to put parsley in the food processors and finely chop them. Then add in your onion and pulse to finely chop the onions. Add in your beef and seasoning and pulse to mix well. Now let's shape the beef mixtures into kafta form, like so. After shaping them, I did put the kaftas in the fridge for about an hour to maintain their shapes. However, feel free to skip this step. After your kaftas are shaped, let's air fry them for about 9 minutes at 400 degrees. After 4 to 5 minutes of air frying, open up your air fryer and make sure to flip the kaftas. Air fry for the final 4 to 5 minutes and that's it. Ta-da! Final step. Plate your kafta with rice, potato, pita, hummus, tzatziki, salad, and more. Pretty good.